data moved, you'll need to calculate the correlation. So in doing that, here is your formula. I wrote it down here. You can also find that by clicking in the box where you're supposed to put it. Then you will put equals CORREL. And then it's asking you for the first column, and then you put a comma, and then second column. And you're not going to highlight the top where the words are, but you'll just highlight all the different data points. And then once you have that, you put your final parenthesis, and then there you go. This is, let me see if I can make it a little bit bigger. So the correlation between these two is negative 0.39. You round that up, that's negative 0.40. And then that's how you would report it. You would do the write-up as I have instructed here. So you'll let me know what type of correlation this is, what that means, etc. So I hope this helped.